Morning to you, Desiree. I'm currently outside the Verulam Magistrates Court. Behind me, you can see quite a number of community members who have gathered here, obviously, to hear what is going to be the verdict of the court with regards to that bail application, which we expect to be heard, to be delivered rather today. We do understand, Desiree, that at the moment the court is not functioning. As you can see, there's quite a number of people camped outside. We don't know as yet as to why the court has not started with its business this morning, but we are told that there's currently a meeting underway by the management of the court, which will then decide as to what will happen going forward. But Desiree, let me speak to the uncle of the late Andile Mbuthu, Mr. Ngeti. Mr. Ngeti, thank you very much for your time. Perhaps as a family at this point, how are you feeling?
Thank you, Bobo. At this point, as a family, we are expecting the magistrates not to give the perpetrators the bail on the basis that they've done a lot in a manner that it was hurting to hear the evidence that was addressed during the proceedings at the court. We are not expecting them to be granted the bail. On the other hand, we are expecting them to be given an available sentence that will send a message to everyone who actually did do what they did to my nephew. So at this day, we are still waiting for the court management to decide whether the matter will proceed or not. But we're still waiting for the results on what's going to be said within the management, because they are still discussing the matter as far as currently.
A young life cut short, Mr. Ngeti. How is the family coping after that gruesome incident?
It's hard. It's very, very hard. On the basis that with his mother, within his mother, he's the only son he was having. Because there was he's got two sisters, actually three sisters, and was the only son. So his mother was expecting a lot because he was very bright, even at school. Because if you're looking at his age, he was about to complete grade 12. So he was having severe plans about his future, even though he didn't told us a lot. But you can see when he does things in a manner that is too professional.
In terms of how the police have handled the case, are you happy with the processes so far?
So far, yes. Ever since we've we've taken the matter to the provincial offices, yes, we are happy. Nevertheless, we're still waiting for the law to take its course.
Mr. Ngeti, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Well, that's the family member, Desiree, saying that they want justice following, of course, that very gruesome incident which took the life of an 18-year-old Andile Mbuthu. He's not the only one who's here in court. I'm also joined by one of the people who are actually former schoolmates of the late Mbuthu. Why are you here today?
nje sidede yenzakalile saphatheka kabuhlungu manje siyazithemba ukuthi justice izoba khona konke kwakwenzeka laba ababemenzile bebulele ejele shilo besiphisayo ukuthi kwenzeka.
Well, that's the very same sentiment that was echoed by Andile Mbuthu's uncle. The supporters outside court are saying that they want justice for the late Andile Mbuthu. It's back to you in Johannesburg for now.